Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about the difference between learning English and speaking English. There are many people who learn English, who understand English, even who understand everything in English. But when it comes to speaking, they are not able to speak. The question is why? Why they are not able to speak even after knowing everything in English? So let's find out its solution. So let's find out its answer in this video. So to find out your answer, stay with video till the end. Friends, before getting into the video, if you are new on my channel, then like, share and subscribe. So without any further ado, let's get started. Friends, learning English is a process of understanding English. Someone may learn English by studying textbooks, but speaking involves practicing conversational skills, pronunciation, and fluency in real life interaction. When you learning English, that means you understand words, phrase, sentence formation, a structure, grammar rules, and what has been spoken. But speaking means you speak out something that you have learned yet, like what you have learned in listening, what you have learned in reading, what you have learned in videos. You speak out all those things. So that is the difference between learning English and speaking English. For better understanding, let me give you an example. Suppose you are learning to operate a computer. After learning it, if you do not practice it on a computer, then how will you run a computer? So the same thing goes for learning English and speaking English. If you just learn but you do not practice it, then you will not speak it. I hope you got the all important points. So see you soon in next videos.